So let's start with what is cybersecurity. Everybody have their own definitions of cybersecurity, but the view of the cyber world is that cybersecurity is a protection of internet connected systems, including hardware, software, and data. And the view is to protect it from cyber attack. So to parse this sentence, if we understand that basically we need to protect hardware, software, and data. So most of you would have heard this sentence that data is the new oil, or data is the most valuable thing that is out there. Now, if you want to apply this to your real life, most of you who are in India would have checked into the hotel. When you check in, you would have given information to the check-in process, like you would have given your credit card details for making a payment, and you would have given your address verification. So you would have given your driving license or Aadhaar card. So what kind of data have you given to the person at the desk of a hotel? So you already gave your full name, you gave your address, and you gave your date of birth, because your driving license do contain those, or Aadhaar card do contain those. And now when you're checking out, you made a payment with your credit card. So he have your credit card number. So how much is the data now that lies with that particular hotel? How much you have left in one transaction about you with the hotel, right? So now imagine if they do not protect it well, what could happen to you?